Ever dreamt of retiring early but still craving purpose and maybe a good latte? What if you could ditch a high-stress career, yet keep a fun, flexible gig to top up your freedom fund? That's Barista Fire. It's not about quitting work entirely. It's about designing a life where you choose when, how much, and why you work. Imagine sipping coffee, mentoring a few customers, and calling it payday. Intrigued? Let's dive into the world of Barista Fire and discover how to blend financial independence with meaning, one espresso shot at a time. Welcome to Freelance School. Today's topic, what is Barista Fire? Let's go to our video. Barista Fire stands for financial independence, retire early, with a twist. Instead of striving to save every last penny until you never work again, Barista Fire advocates accumulating enough passive income to cover most of your living expenses, then topping up the remainder with a low-stress, part-time job, often as a barista, hence the name. This approach marries the joy of financial security with the fulfillment of purposeful work and community connection. A middle path. Traditional Fire. Save aggressively, often 50–70% of your income, until investments yield 100% of your living costs. Then walk away from paid work forever. Barista Fire. Save enough so investments cover 60–80% of your expenses. Use a part-time gig to bridge the gap. It's the best of both worlds. Freedom from financial stress without the void of full retirement. Why barista? The term gained popularity when financially independent individuals took barista jobs at major coffee chains to maintain health insurance and social interaction. But your barista can be anything: bookstore clerk, fitness instructor, freelance writer, whatever aligns with your interests and schedule. Why Barista Fire makes sense. Maintains social connection. Complete retirement can be isolating. Barista Fire keeps you in touch with coworkers, customers, and routine, vital for mental health and happiness. Provides purpose. Work isn't just about money, it gives structure, goals, and a sense of contribution. A low-stress job can fulfill that without draining your freedom. Bridges the income gap. Even a modest part-time wage, $500 to $2,500 per month, can make a huge difference, allowing you to withdraw less from your portfolio and extend its lifespan. Access to benefits. Many part-time roles offer health insurance, retirement contributions, and other perks that might otherwise cost you a fortune out of pocket. The financial formula of Barista Fire. Calculate your FIRE number. Use the 4% rule. Multiply your annual expenses by 25 to estimate the nest egg that covers 100% of costs. For Barista Fire, target 60–80% of that number. Determine your part-time gap. If your investments cover 75% of expenses, calculate the remaining 25%. Example, annual spending Mishur $40,000, full Fire nest egg, $1,000, Barista Fire target, $750,000, investments cover $30,000, you need $10,000 from part-time work. Design your part-time income. Choose a job that pays roughly $800–$1,000 per month, giving you peace of mind and a schedule that fits your lifestyle. Breaking free from the all-or-nothing mindset. Many aspiring Fire candidates believe they must push savings to the max, endure grueling budgets, and then abruptly exit the workforce. That can lead to burnout, or worse, a life without direction. Barista Fire flips this script. Flexibility over rigidity. Moderate savings targets reduce stress. Gradual transition. Shift from full-time to part-time work, testing life along the way. Mindset shift. Focus on designing a fulfilling lifestyle, not just reaching a number. Personal stories. Barista Fire in action. Story 1. Emma, the retired teacher. Background: Emma saved diligently, teaching for 30 years. By age 55, she'd built a $700,000 portfolio, enough for 70% of her $50,000 annual expenses. Barista job: she took a 15-hour-week position at a local cafe, earning $800 month plus health benefits. Outcome: Emma wakes at 7 a.m., brews her own coffee, then heads to work for a few hours of friendly chatter and lattes. Afternoons are for painting and volunteering at the library. Story 2: Marcus, the corporate escapee. Background: after decades in finance, Marcus was burned out. His portfolio hit $900,000 at age 45. Barista alternative: he chose to teach guitar lessons part-time online, turning a passion into pocket money. Outcome: Marcus now dedicates morning hours to lessons, leaving afternoons free for cycling, writing, and mentoring high school students. Choosing your barista job. Passion aligned. Hobbies turned side gigs are the sweetest. Love books? Work in a cozy bookstore? Love plants? Help in a nursery? Low stress. Steer clear of high pressure roles. Customer service jobs with supportive teams work best. Flexible hours. Aim for 10-20 hours per week. Look for shift scheduling apps or roles with self-scheduled blocks. Benefit access. If you need health insurance, target companies offering part-time benefits, large retailers, credit unions, or franchises. Step-by-step guide to transition. 1. Assess your finances. List expenses, calculate your current savings rate, and project investment growth. 2. Set your barista FIRE target. Decide the percentage of expenses to cover passively, 60-80%. 3. Research part-time roles. Compile 5 to 10 options that match your skills and needs. 4. Test before quitting. Start freelancing or volunteer in your chosen field to gauge enjoyment and schedule. 5. Scale back full-time work. Negotiate reduced hours or shift to a consulting role. 6. Secure part-time income. Apply, interview, and onboard into your barista role while maintaining savings discipline. 7. Enjoy the blend. Celebrate milestones. First month of Barista FIRE, first six-figure part-time paycheck, first trip funded by non-investment income. Psychological benefits and challenges. Benefits. Purpose and routine prevents the retirement blues. Community and meaning builds relationships outside your old network. Continuous growth. Part-time work often offers new skills and learning. Challenges. Identity shift. Moving from a high-status career to a casual role can sting. Income psychology. Earning less monthly takes adjustment. Boundary setting, balancing, just enough work without creeping hours. Mistakes to avoid. 1. Underestimating expenses. Track 3 months of spending meticulously before choosing your passive coverage ratio. 2. Overworking. Stick to defined hours. Protect your newfound freedom. 3. Ignoring tax implications. Part-time wages plus investment withdrawals can bump you into higher tax brackets. Plan wisely. 4. Choosing the wrong job. If it feels like a grind, it will drain you. Opt for joyful work. Tools and resources. FIRE calculators. Choose FiNet, firecalc.org, health insurance marketplaces, healthcare.gov, state exchanges, job boards, Indeed, filter part-time benefits, Upwork, FlexJobs, Community, R Financial Independence, Choose Facebook group. Books: Quit Like a Millionaire by Christy Shen and Bryce Lung, Playing with Fire by Scott Reekins. Building a sustainable part-time income. 1. Diversify. Consider 2 to 3 micro gigs, e.g., tutoring plus cafe shifts plus online course sales. 2. Automate. Use calendar reminders and automated invoicing for freelance work. 3. Upskill. Take online courses, Udemy, Coursera, to improve job prospects and pay rates. 4. Network. Volunteer at community events. Opportunities often arise organically. Case study: Mixing Passions and Paychecks. Sophia's story: a former marketer with a love for yoga. She built a $650,000 portfolio and now teaches 12 hours a month at a local studio. The rest of her time is devoted to writing wellness articles that earn her $200 in affiliate commissions monthly. Balance achieved. Sophia's investment income covers 70% of her $48,000 annual needs. Yoga teaching and writing cover the rest. She's stress-free, fulfilled, and still growing her net worth. FAQs about Barista Fire. 1. Is Barista Fire just for coffee shops? No. Barista is metaphorical. It's any part-time gig aligning with your lifestyle. 2. What if I hate my part-time job? Test before committing. Your barista should energize, not exhaust you. 3. How do I handle fluctuations in investment returns? Keep a cash buffer equivalent to 6 to 12 months of expenses. 4. Can I switch jobs once I'm on Barista Fire? Absolutely. Your passive income cushions transitions. Choose roles as interests evolve. Conclusion: designing a life you love. Barista Fire isn't about half retirement. It's about whole life design. It empowers you to secure your finances while preserving the joy of daily work. You create a schedule that fits your passions, ensures your mental health, and sustains your connections. So, what's your barista role? Will you mentor students, brew lattes, care for pets, or craft stories? Your financial independence is the foundation. Your part-time gig is the joyful flourish. Combined, they build a life that's financially secure, purpose-driven, and richly human. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.